Ashes in the mango grove tonight. Old fire still glowing through the dark moonlight. Children searching where the elders used to pray, trying to find hope that never fades away. Smoke rising slow through the countryside air. Echoes of the past still lingering there. From the broken valley to the mountainside, faith and love still burning deep inside. Grandfather sitting by the broken fence, talking about peace and innocence. Said the world changed but Jah remained, sun still shining after rain. Empty bottles by the roadside bend, too many souls lose their way again. But every seed planted in the ground one day surely grow profound. Women humming hymns at evening time, church bell echo soft and fine, smoke drifting through the cooling breeze. Birds resting in the mango trees. Yeah, young boys dreaming by the river bank, giving thanks though pockets blank. Every hardship leave a scar, still faith carry people far. Old storytelling near the firelight glow, speaking truths the young must know. Talking about days of unity, when neighbors live like family. Though many roads now filled with pain, hope still falling like evening rain. The roots run deep beneath the soil, blessing every honest toil. Oh, ashes in the mango grove tonight. Old fire still glowing through the dark moonlight. Children searching where the elders used to pray, trying to find hope that never fade away. Smoke rising slow through the countryside air. Echoes of the past still lingering there. From the broken valley to the mountainside, faith and love still burning deep inside. Church bell ringing through the dusty lane, mothers praying to the younger pain. Old guitar crying soft and low, river still teaching what the wise men know. Though Babylon pressure heavy every day, faith keep guiding to the narrow way. From the ruins light still grow, Jah alone control the flow. Younger lighting candle flames, calling softly, holding names. Every shadow pass away when love brighten up the day. Though the valley filled with tears, people still confronting fear. From the ashes blessings rise like sunrise across the skies. Far beyond the sugar cane, people dancing to the strain. Drums echo through the midnight air, voices lifted up in prayer. Children laughing near the stream, still believing in the dream. Though the world may turn cold, some truths never grow old. Elder woman by the doorway, stand Bible resting in her hand, telling you to walk upright even through the darkest night. Every candle softly glow, teaching us what they should know. Mercy is stronger than despair, Jah love moving everywhere. Nothing truly lost forever, the spirit's still alive tonight. Through every broken memory, through every dusty road, love still survives. Hear the wind call through the tree, yeah, the old songs in the breeze. Every prayer I Ashes in the mango grove tonight, still burning through the night. Oh, yeah. Midnight songs for runaway souls, broken hearts trying to feel whole. Moonlight falling on the old dirt road, still carrying everybody's load. Young boy running from the city noise, lost between temptation and voice. Pocket empty but him spirit strong, still searching where him belong. Bible pages worn by rain, tears falling down like pain, but every word still burning bright, guiding weary souls tonight. Street light flicker near the station wall, some rise while others fall. Taxi passing through the mist, dreams too many people missed. Old man whispering to prayer, asking mercy fill the air. Though the night feel cold and long, faith still sounding like a song. Midnight songs for runaway souls, broken hearts trying to feel whole. Moonlight falling on the old dirt road, still carrying everybody's load. Train whistle crying through the hill, night air standing cold and still. Old woman singing by candle flame, calling softly Jah holy name. Though the world feel hard and cold, mercy worth more than silver and gold. When darkness covers every street, grace still walking on tired feet. Children sleeping near the shore, dreaming life could offer more. Every prayer rise through the skies, like smoke where redemption lies. Though many wander far from home, no spirit truly walks alone. Morning soon shall bring relief, barefoot in the sand, still believing love can stand. Streetlights flicker in the humid night, some still searching for the light. But the river knows every cry, every tear and every sigh. Oh, drama beating slow and deep, songs from ancestors still keep. River breeze through tamarind tree, carrying whispers to the sea. Young lovers watching lantern glow, wondering where tomorrow goes. Still the candles drift along, moving gently with the song. Oh, candles floating down Spanish Town River. Prayers rising higher forever. Every flame carries somebody's dream, shining softly through the moonbeam. Oh, old fisherman watching tides rolling, talking about mercy over sin. Thunder rumbling far away, yet faith still stronger every day. From Spanish Town to Kingston lane, people dancing through the pain, hope still floating through the stream, like a never-ending dream. Street vendors packing up at night, still holding on to light. Church choir echo through the breeze, mixing with the rustling leaves. Though the waters rise and fall, love still answers every call. Every candle floating free, carry prayers endlessly. River keep flowing forever, through sorrow and joy, through darkness and light. The prayers still rise tonight. Candles floating down Spanish Town River. Prayers rising higher forever. Every soul still searching free for the truth Jah wants them see. Candles glowing through the night, still shining bright.
Oh, yeah. Oh, the carpenter left footprints here, through every sorrow, every fear. Though storms may rise and roads grow rough, His mercy always be enough. Old wooden church beside the cane feet, broken people trying to heal. Every bench carries silent pain, yet grace still falling like rain. Children singing by the doorway light, trying hard to live upright. Every soul searching for peace, praying violence finally cease. Mine with callous working hands, still believing better plans. Women cooking evening meal, holding faith they deeply feel. Though the world feel cold and strange, love still capable of change. Every footprint through the sand lead us by a righteous hand. The carpenter left footprints here, through
carpenter left footprints here.
Through every sorrow, every fear, from the mountains to the sea, His truth still setting captives free. The carpenter still walking here tonight. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh, oh, oh. Hey. When the roosters warn the nation, hear the sound of revelation. Morning fire touch the sky. Truth can never truly die. Every valley hear the cry. Justice rising by and by. When the rooster crow once more, sleeping hearts sleep no more. Politicians talking loud, trying hard to fool the crowd. Meanwhile mothers cry for bread, too much hunger spread. Yet the rooster crow at dawn, warning wickedness be gone. Justice marching through the land, guided by Jah mighty hand. Youth man pacing through the square, frustration heavy in the air. Empty pockets, weary eyes, still searching for a better life. Old men reasoning by the shop, praying violence finally stop. Though corruption stain the day, truth still find a righteous way. Sirens echo through the town, yet the righteous stand their ground. Children peeking through the blinds, trying hard to read the signs. Every drum beat through the night, calling people to unite. Like thunder rolling from afar, justice shining like a star. When the roosters warn the nation, hey, hear the sound of revelation. Morning fire touch the sky. Truth can never truly die. Every valley hear the cry. Justice rising by and by. When the rooster crow once more, sleeping hearts sleep no more. Street preacher by the square, speaking hope into the air. Youth man listening by the gate, wondering if change too late. But the sunrise never fell, even when the weak grow pale. Every trumpet soon shall sound, truth alone remain profound. Oh, women singing from the lane, praying freedom come again. Church bells ringing through the dawn, like a warning carried on. Farmers walking through the mud, still surviving flood by flood. Every struggle plant a seed for the souls in deepest need. Babylon built walls so high, still no wall can block the sky. Falsehood crumble piece by piece, while the righteous search for peace. Every rooster crowing clear, tell the people persevere. From the hills to Kingston shore, silence rule no more. Hear the warning in the morning breeze, hear the trumpet through the trees. No more hiding from the truth tonight, no more sleeping through the fight. The fire rising, the fire rising now. Ooh, oh, oh. When the roosters warn the nation, hear the sound of revelation. From the valleys to the shore, people sleeping no more. Morning fire touch the sky. Truth can never truly die. When the rooster crow once more, justice knocking at the door. Old Bible, poverty, faith remained the victory. Grandmother rocking in the chair, evening breeze moving through the air. Children gathered by her side, listening with eyes open wide. Stories old but wisdom true, still speaking clear to me and you. Though the world keep drifting fast, some foundations always last. Moonlight shining on the yard, some days living feels so hard, yet the old books still survive, keeping hope and dreams alive. Every promise planted deep, guarding souls while they sleep. Morning always follows night, Jah forever guide the rise. Mama praying through the tears, trying to feed 6 youths through the years. Rice pot empty, some evenings cold, but her faith worth more than gold. She quotes psalms beside the flame. Jah never fail who call his name. Like David standing small but brave, faith alone still conquer grave. Old Bible under the banana tree, words of Zion comforting me. Though Babylon pressure increase, scripture still bring inner peace. I remember when the landlord came, threatening us with fear and shame. Father kneel down on the dusty floor, pray harder than before. Next sunrise a neighbor call, offer work and save us all. Matthew said the birds survive, so Jah keep the poor alive. Youth man walking crooked lane, lost in anger, hurt and pain, searching love in streets at night, far away from truth and light. Prodigal son come home one day, hear the old folks kneel and pray. Grace reach deeper than the sea, chains break through humility. River dry and crops decline, still we give the Lord our time. Job endured through suffering days, never stop his humble praise. Though the valley dark and steep, Jah his children always keep. Footprints through the muddy clay, guide the righteous on the way. Now the children growing strong, passing down the same old song. Old King James with cornerstone, still bring light each early morn. Underneath the banana shade, generations foundations lay. Heaven words, no rust, no fade, even when this world betrayed. Old Bible under the banana tree, pages worn but still setting free. Ancient truth still standing tall, mercy waiting for us all. Through the fire and history, faith remained the victory. Old Bible under the banana tree, Jah love, right destiny.
Children dancing through the drought,
Still believing there's a way out,
even when the wells run dry.
hope still reaching to the sky.
Barefoot feet upon the ground,
Still them lifting joyful sound.
though the earth crack all about. Children dancing through the drought,
Dust clouds rising down the lane, too long waiting for the rain. Yet the children laugh and play, turning darkness far away. Mothers singing by the store, holding families close. Though hard times knocking every door, love still giving more. Old man sitting near the gate, warning you don't follow hate, saying patience builds strong, even suffering don't last long. Little chalkboard in the class, broken windows made of glass. Still the teachers stand with pride, keeping truth alive inside. Some words echo through the breeze, like the rustling mango trees. Those who sow in tears someday shall rejoice along the way. So the children clap their hands, dreaming greener future lands. Faith becoming daily bread, even where the hunger spread. Children dancing through the drought, still believing there's a way out. Every smile become a light, shining through the longest night. Though the river running low, still them hearts continue grow. Songs of Zion ringing out, children dancing through the drought. Teachers speaking truth at school, teaching kindness as the rule. Youth men planting seeds once more, dreaming of a better shore. Thunder rolling from afar, like a sign upon the stars. Blessings coming by and by for every soul that tried. Farmers watching empty field, praying Jah restore the yield. Hands rough from years of strain, still them call upon his name. Grandma reading from the word, every promise deeply heard. Like Elijah praying long, waiting till the rain clouds form. Young girl drawing skies in blue, saying better days come true. Though her shoes worn paper thin, still she carries strength within. Community around the fire, voices lifting higher, higher. One pot soup but many fed, grace multiplying daily bread. Then one evening cool wind blow, children stop and raise them so. First raindrop touch the dusty ground, joyful crying all around. Hearts remember what faith do, when the world stopped believing you. Like Noah through the stormy tide, Jah was always by their side. River slowly rise again, life returning with the rain. But the greatest thing they found was the love that kept them sound. Children dancing through the drought, still believing there's a way out. From the ashes flowers grow, more than many people know. Through the hardship and the pain, songs still rising with the rain. Faith and love without a doubt. Children dancing through the drought, children dancing, hearts alive, teaching all how to survive. Even when the road seems rough, Jah remind us hope enough. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. The hills still carry his voice, calling weary souls rejoice. Echoes through the valley floor, love still knocking at the door. Morning sunlight touch the streams, waking up forgotten dreams. Through the pain and all the noise, the hills still carry his voice. Wind blows softly through the trees, carrying ancient melodies. Every mountain hold a song, teaching hearts where they belong. Old shepherd walking through the rain, still singing through the pain. Faith stronger than the storm, keeping wandering spirits warm. Children running through the field, learning what the earth can heal. Grandmother beside the fire, speaking words that lift us higher. She quote proverbs late at night, teaching wrong from teaching right, saying wisdom worth more gold, better far than riches old. Church bell ringing from afar, guiding fishermen by star. Though the road feels steep and long, praise still rising like a song. Like Moses climbing mountainside, searching where the truth resides. Every step through dust and stone, show we never walk alone. The hills still carry his voice, calling weary souls rejoice. Through the valleys deep and wide, mercy walking by our side. Though the world grow cold and hard, love still blooming in the yard. Faith become the people's choice, the hills still carry his voice. Some say hope too far away, yet mercy rise each day. From the hilltops to the shore, truth keep echoing once more. Every river, every storm, remind us we're not alone. Through the darkness voices ring, calling everyone to sing. Young man tired from city fight, searching peace most every night. Babylon keep pulling chains, filling hearts with stress and pains. Then he hear the old hymn flow from a chapel down below. Suddenly his soul revived, feel like he was born alive. Mama kneeling by the bed, praying children safely fed. Like Elijah in despair, just still answer humble prayer. Ravens fed the prophet then, so he cared for poor men. Every promise standing true, yesterday and now anew. Thunder rolling across the land, still the people firmly stand. Candles glowing through the night, tiny flames but shining bright. When the world forget the weak, just still hear the poor man speak. From the mountain to the sea, truth remain eternally. Hearts once broken, now restored, finding shelter in the Lord. Every echo through the air, carry hope for those in fear. The hills still carry his voice, calling weary souls rejoice. Every road can lead to peace when hatred finally cease. From the valleys to the streams, love revive forgotten dreams. Through all sorrow, through all strife, faith still breathe eternal life. The hills still carry his voice, telling nations make the choice. Walk in mercy, walk in grace. Let compassion fill the place. Though the storms may shake the land, just still guide with steady hand. carrying old reggae song. Far away thunder shake the shoreline, but the lantern's still glowing tonight. Kingston never sleep easy, still the people hold faith through the storm. Storm lanterns over Kingston harbor, guiding sailors through the dark water. Though thunder rolling overhead, faith still moving forward. Waves crashing hard against the shore, still the people endure much more. Every light against the night, burning strong through every fight. Ships rocking slowly by the pier, every captain hiding fear. City lights reflecting gold, stories waiting to be told. Street musicians playing low, trying hard to keep hope. Every lantern in the rain symbolize surviving pain. Fishermen mend the broken net, hoping for a better catch yet. Children peeping through the door, listening to the ocean roar. Oh, Rasta man beside the street, beating drums with steady beat, quoting sounds through the pouring rain. Same drive will rise again, taxi driver working late, trying hard to feed his eight. Though inflation squeeze the town, still him never bow down. Woman sailing suit nearby, steam rising to the cloudy sky. One small smile can heal the soul when the nights feel cold and slow. Storm lanterns over Kingston harbor, guiding sailors through the dark water. Though the skyline filled with fear, hope still whisper loud and clear. From the corner shops to docks, life still moving round the clock. Lantern flames refuse to part, keeping courage in the heart. Night patrol moving through the docks, watching time against the clocks. Meanwhile lovers hold on tight, praying for a safer night. From Trenchtown to Harborside, people trying to survive. Still the storm can never win when the light burns deep within. Young youth staring at the sea, wondering what his life could be. Dreaming far beyond the pain, beyond the struggle and the strain. Pastor walking through the lane, calling shelter from the rain. Like Noah through the flood before, faith still carried to the shore. Mother humming gospel tunes beneath the silver midnight moon. Candle flicker by the pane, while she whispered Jesus' name. Every hardship leave a scar, still the people know who they are. Strong like ships that face the tide, never letting hope subside. Storm lanterns over Kingston harbor, guiding sailors through the dark water. Morning sunlight soon will rise, brighter days before our eyes. Though the night feels long and cold, still the faithful standing bold. From the harbor to the hills, Jah protection with us still. Storm lanterns glowing through the rain,
through the avenue. Street lights flicker on the wet concrete. Sirens echo somewhere downtown, but somebody still whisper a prayer tonight. Underneath the city pressure and noise, fate still breathing quietly. A prayer sewn into denim jacket sleeves. Hidden faith nobody sees. Walking through the city nights, ooh, still trying to live right. Through the heartbreak and the cold, still protecting weary souls. Every tear the heavens read, even silent hearts still bleed. Young girl standing by the bus stop light, dreaming of a better life. Music playing through cheap headphones, trying not to feel alone. Every scar tell a story deep, promises she still keep. Though the world can feel unkind, hope still living in her mind. Mama working double shifts, praying hard the rent get fixed. Bible resting near the bed, daily psalms before she rests. She remember what Christ said, do not fear, I'll make a way. So she walked through every strain, holding faith through all the pain. Young boy from the tower block, dodging trouble round the clock. Friends lost to the prison gates, others buried far too late. Still him carry cross, necklace, chain, asking Jah to break the pain. Like Joseph sold and left behind, still purpose waiting in due time. Our prayer sold into denim jacket sleeves. Hidden faith nobody sees. Through the sirens and the fights, ooh, people searching for the light. Every alley, every train carry somebody's hidden pain. Still compassion softly weaves through the seams and through the sleeve. Street preacher by the corner shop, begging violence be stopped. Taxi rolling through the rain, people carrying hidden pain. But every silent prayer rise like smoke into the skies. Love still stronger than despair, mercy floating through the air. Old man sleeping near the station, forgotten by the nation. Still he smiling softly, sing songs about the coming king. Coffee vendor sharing bread, making sure the man get fed. Tiny kindness in the street, still make broken lives complete. Choir voices from the church, reaching souls that drift and search. Neon signs and billboard glows, still can't match the peace we know. Like the woman clothed in tears, touching Christ through all her fears. Faith not always loud and grand, sometimes quiet, like folded hands. A prayer soul into denim jacket sleeves. Hidden faith nobody sees, even in the city noise. Ooh, heaven still can hear our voice. From the rooftops to the trains, Jah still walking through the rains. Though the night feel cold and long, mercy still becoming song. A prayer soared into denim jacket sleeves. Tiny faith the heart believes. When the whole world turn away, love still guides us day by day.
Oh, oh, steel wheels humming on the old railway line. Evening sun sinking behind the harbor side. Vendors calling out their final sales. Salt breeze drifting through the station air. Some hearts heading toward tomorrow, others holding tight to yesterday. Before the last train leaves Montego Bay, memories we can't reclaim. Station crowded near sunset glow. Old memories moving slow. Some leaving for distant lands. Suitcases in trembling hands. Mother waving through the steam, holding tight to every dream. Though tomorrow feel unknown, no soul truly walk alone. Little children running near, trying hard not show them fear. Grandfather beside the gate, quietly speaking words of faith. He quotes scripture soft and low, reaping joy what tears once sowed. Like Abraham called to roam, still Jah guide the road back home. Street musician play guitar, singing songs beneath the stars. Every note drift through the crowd, fun for ting the weary now. Young couple holding hands so tight, promising survive the fight. Though the future hard to see, love still write destiny. Before the last train leaves Montego Bay, tell the ones you love to stay. Through the laughter and goodbye, tears still shining in the eyes. Every platform, every train carries somebody joy and pain. Still beneath the darkened sky, faith continues standing high. Oh, oh, train whistle echo through the hills. Night air standing still. Young man staring through the glass, watching old hometown pass. Yet the spirit never fades. Through every choice we made, love remained beyond goodbye. Like stars above the sky, rain began to touch the tracks, bringing old reflections back. Thinking of the days gone by, football games and July skies. Mama praying from the porch, keeping one small candle torch. Like the prodigal return, home still wait through every turn. Conductor called the final stop, but memories never stop. From the market to the sea, echoes live eternally. Though the world keep changing pace, time can never steal grace. Every mile the train reveal, teach the heart what truly real. Whoa, every ending bring another road, another story, another dawn. Though the night may feel so long, oh, just still carry we along. From broken dreams to rising sun, the journey never truly done. Before the last train leaves Montego Bay, tell the ones you love to stay. From the valleys to the sea, grace still guiding destiny. Though the old days drift away, love still stronger every day. Hear the whistle cry again, life keep